Imagine waking up tomorrow and seeing the same alert everywhere. On your phone, on the news, on every screen. An asteroid will hit Earth in 24 hours. No debate, no uncertainty, just a countdown. And the terrifying part is most people would still be unprepared. Because the real danger doesn't start when the asteroid hits, it starts before it arrives, and what you do in the next 24 hours decides if you survive. The first mistake people would make is staying exactly where they are. Cities become death traps during disasters. Too many people, too few supplies, too much chaos. Traffic jams begin within hours, stores empty within minutes. Emergency services become overwhelmed. Waiting feels safer, but waiting gets people trapped. First rule: decide where you will stay. Immediately, not tonight. Not later, immediately. Because once panic begins, movement becomes impossible. Most people think they need to run far away. That's not always true. Distance helps, but protection matters more. The safest places are basements, underground parking structures, subway tunnels, concrete buildings. Earth and concrete absorb shockwaves and debris. Windows kill more people than impacts. Second rule: choose shelter over distance. A strong basement nearby is safer than a long drive away. The goal is protection, not escape. Most people prepare the wrong things first. They think about food, but the first real problem is water. After impact, pipes break, power fails, water stops flowing. Third rule: store water first, but it won't be enough. Fill bottles, buckets, bathtubs, containers, even sinks if necessary. Without water, survival becomes impossible within days. Water is survival, but water alone is not enough. Because after the impact, leaving shelter may be dangerous, stores may be empty, and help may not arrive. Fourth rule: prepare simple survival supplies. Food that lasts, canned food, dry snacks, rice, energy bars. Anything that can be eaten without cooking. You may not have electricity, or gas, or time to prepare meals. Next, basic essentials: first aid supplies, painkillers, bandages, warm clothing, blankets, flashlights, extra batteries. Dust masks if possible. After an impact, the air may fill with dust and debris. And even simple protection can make a difference. Prepare more than you think you need. Because after the asteroid hits, resupply may not be possible. When an asteroid is approaching, the sky may look normal. The day may feel quiet, almost peaceful. That calm is dangerous. Because people underestimate what comes next: shockwaves, falling debris, broken buildings, darkness. Fifth rule: prepare light and protection. Flashlights, batteries, helmets if available, thick clothing, blankets. Even simple protection reduces injury. Most survivors survive because they were protected from debris, not because they escaped it. The last few hours before impact may feel unreal. People will still be outside, still driving, still watching the sky. Curiosity becomes dangerous. The closer the impact gets, the less time you have to react. Final rule: be inside before impact, not watching, not traveling, inside, protected, ready. Because once the asteroid enters the atmosphere, you won't have time to move. Because when the asteroid finally hits, everything changes in seconds. The ground shakes, windows explode, the sky turns white, and debris begins falling from above. And the truth is, surviving the impact is only the beginning. The first hour after impact is when most survivors are lost. Stay tuned for part 2. The first hour after asteroid impact, that's when survival really begins.